A soggy pattern over the next 10 days is going to bring us some much needed rain. Not only that, but it's going to help cool off our temperatures. Some spots are only going to be in the low to mid 80s. So some good news here at home, but out in the tropics, they're really starting to fire up. So I want to start us off in the tropics this evening. First, taking a look at potential tropical cyclone 2. It's not going to impact us here in the United States, but it's worth the mention because it is forecasted to become our first hurricane of the season before eventually making landfall in Central America. It does not have the closed circulation that we look for in tropical systems, but it does have tropical storm force winds at 40 miles per hour, and it is moving out quite quickly to the west at 24 miles per hour. Now out in the Gulf, a more immediate threat here in the United States, a 40% chance of developing into something tropical over the next 2 and 5 days. But regardless of tropical development, it does look like it is going to bring some rain and thunderstorms to the East Texas coast. I'll continue to closely monitor that. And one more area that we are keeping a close eye on is just behind PTC2. It's not too impressive right now, but as it does move off to the north and west, I do believe it could gain some more moisture and potentially develop into something tropical. Right now, only a 30% chance of developing into something tropical, and it could eventually bring us some moisture here to the United States, but that's about a week and a half to 2 weeks out. So I will closely monitor this and the other two systems out in the Atlantic, and I will closely monitor the Atlantic hurricane season as it does move on. Now, back here at home, some much needed rainfall is in our forecast, and I do believe it will help out our drought conditions. Right now, we do have that severe drought maintained in Jasper and Beaufort counties, and that moderate drought, though, once was just along the coast, has expanded further inland into portions of the Midlands and even into portions of the upstate. So our entire state is dry and is under some sort of drought conditions. And I do believe the rain that we are expecting over the next 10 days will help it out just a little bit. So heading into tomorrow morning, those showers are going to continue. The rain and thunderstorms are going to become more persistent throughout the afternoon and eventually taper off as we head towards the evening hours. Maybe a couple of showers staying around as we head towards tomorrow evening. But a lot of the moisture is not going to be available heading into your Thursday morning. So Thursday morning, we do look mostly dry, and I do believe some more showers will start to develop. So this model is kind of underdoing what I think will happen. Only a 20 to 40% chance of a couple of showers and thunderstorms for Thursday right now. But as we head into your weekend, a better chance of rain at 50 to 60%, and that soggy pattern is going to continue as we head into next week. Now, taking a look at your 10-day forecast, you will also notice our temperatures are going to be a lot cooler than what we were. You used to see 10 pink numbers on the forecast. Now we are only seeing 2 in the upstate and only 5 in the Midlands. So we are going to be a lot cooler than what we were, but we do have to deal with those rain and thunderstorm chances over the next 10 days. And even for your 4th of July plans, it does look like some showers and thunderstorms will stay in the area, but we'll see those cooler temperatures even lasting into next week. Keep here at Will's Weather for all the latest information.